Question number 1. Nucleoporins are nuclear pores, ribosome on nuclear membranes, rRNA in the nucleolus, none of the above. Correct answer is option A. Nucleoporins are nuclear pores. Question number 2. The transport factor that helps in the transport of molecules through the nuclear pores are known as nucleopharins, nucleoporins, cryoporins. Correct answer is option C. Cryoporins. Question number 3. Laminin proteins that bind to the intranuclear chromatin are imerin, nespirin, LEM3 cannot be said. Correct answer is option C. LEM3. Question number 4. Nuclear organizer region NOR is found in nuclear matrix, nucleolus, nuclear lamina, nucleoporin. Correct answer is option B. Nucleolus. Question number 5. Kajal bodies mainly consist of the protein imerin, actin, choline, despirin. Correct answer is option C. Choline. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a function of Kajal body? snRNP biogenesis, histone mRNA processing, telomerase assembly, tRNA processing. Correct answer is option D. tRNA processing is not a function of Kajal body. Question number 7. Which of the following is also known as Kramer bodies? Kajal bodies, PML bodies, nuclear speckles, nucleolus. Correct answer is option B. PML bodies. PML bodies full form is promyelocytic leukemia bodies. Question number 8. Which of the following plays a role in oncogenic function? Kramer bodies, Kajal bodies, splicing speckles, none of the above. Correct answer is option A. Kramer's body. Question number 9. Nuclear speckles are perform splicing of snRNPs, perform splicing of RNAs, act as a transcription site for RNAs, act as a strong storage site for snRNP. Correct answer is option A. Perform splicing of snRNP. Question number 10. Which of the following is not true? Paraspeckles are irregular shaped subnuclear compartments. Paraspeckles disappear in the absence of RNA polymerase II transcription. They are transcription dependent. They are present during interphase and absent during mitosis. Correct answer is option D. Is not a true. Question number 11. Processing of mRNA includes 5 days capping, 3 days polyadenylation and RNA splicing is the correct answer. 3 days capping, 5 days polyadenylation and RNA splicing, no. 5 days capping and 3 days polyadenylation, no. 5 days capping and RNA splicing, no. Correct answer is option A. Question number 12. The ability of importins and exportins to transport molecules in and out of the nucleoporins is regulated by ATPase, GTPase, AMPase, both ATPase and GTPase. Correct answer is option B, GTPase. Question number 30. Which of the following human cells are multinucleated? Myocytes, erythrocytes, megakaryocytes, none of the above. Correct answer is option A. Myocyte. Question number 12. Question number 40. Why are the red blood cell anucleated? Presence of nucleus leads to heavier cells that cannot flow in bloodstream. No. Absence of nucleus leads to increased space for hemoglobin that carry molecular oxygen. Yes. Presence of nucleus leads to increased proliferation of RBC which harms the body. No. All of the above. Correct answer is option B. Question number 50. Which of the following first bind to NLS protein sequence? NLS, full form of NLS is nuclear localization sequence. Important alpha, important beta, CAS protein, NLS detecting protein. Correct answer is option A, important alpha. Question number 60. Which of the following displays important alpha from the cargo transported inside the nucleus? Important beta, RAN GTP, CAS, RAN GTPS. Correct answer is option C, CAS. Question number 70. The import cycle of cargo or molecule inside the nucleus required the hydrolysis of 1 GTP, 1 ATP, 2 GTP, 3 GTP. Correct answer is option C, 2 GTP. Question number 18. Export of molecules from inside the nucleus to cytoplasm needs hydrolysis. 1 GTP, 1 ATP, 2 GTP, 3 GTP. Correct answer is option A, 1 GTP. Question number 90. Export of protein with exportin CRM1 can be inhibited by leptomycin A, leptomycin B, leptomycin D, leptomycin H. Correct answer is option B, leptomycin B. 20. Which of the following cellular RNA is not dependent on RAN-GTP during transport outside nucleus? tRNA, rRNA, mRNA, snRNA. Correct answer is option C, mRNA.